Today I want to talk about this, the Travel Clarinet by Odyssey Music. This is a mini portable electronic clarinet. Yes, you heard that right. It's a clarinet, which is truly great because you get a lot of electronic wind instruments out there, but none of them are as portable and specifically for clarinet players. So the travel sax is for sax players, but this is specifically for clarinet players, and it has all the fingerings perfectly laid out for that clarinet feel. It's truly amazing. Now I know the clarinet is a small instrument. You can technically take it many places, but you cannot play it like this with headphones, and it's a MIDI controller as well. You can use it for your productions. You can literally play at any time of the day. And the thing is, this is not just for travel. This is literally if you're in your home.
Now here you can see an overview of the very portable case and how you'll get your travel clarinet. This is an amazing case you can put on your backpack and absolutely anywhere. It also comes with a clarinet mouthpiece, which you can use, or you can also use your own mouthpiece there.
So a little bit of how it works. As you can see, it has built-in speakers right here, so you can actually use it without headphones and get a sound of it. Now you can also connect your headphones right here, any type of headphones, and that way you don't have to bother anyone. Then you have the charging cable USB-C here, which also serves as the MIDI cable. So if you connect this to your computer will identify the Travel Clarinet as a MIDI controller, and then you can use all sorts of sounds that you like with Respiro or Swan or just anything that you'd like. It's literally like a MIDI keyboard, but with all the clarinet fingerings and feel. You also have a Travel Sax app, where you can connect your travel sax and or your travel clarinet if you have both, or if you have any of those. And it's pretty simple. You simply turn it on, and now you can connect your travel clarinet via Bluetooth to the application on your phone by simply doing this, pressing this too. Now here in the app, you can see all the options, and you can control your travel sax, the speaker, the volume of the speaker, the headphones, the instrument. You can even put some reverb, and you do have some sounds as well, as you can see here. So you can go to the sounds and pick all of the sounds, saxophone, clarinet sounds, and you can pick other types of sounds as well, acoustic instruments, electronic instruments, etc. Now this is the great part. You can also edit your fingerings and simply add a fingering. You put which note you want, and you simply press the desired fingerings, and it will register. That way you will have exactly the fingerings as in your real clarinet. And that is pretty much it. On settings, you can transpose it. You get a breath channel, so you get a lot of control on how you really want to customize this so that it feels as much as your real clarinet as possible. Now you can put in your headphones and practice, and nobody will ever notice. You can take this on the plane. You can take this absolutely anywhere, especially because I know the clarinet is already a small instrument, but you can't really just take it and play it anywhere. And with this, you can get your extra clarinet practice done. And it's also super fun because I can pick other sounds. I can connect it as a MIDI controller, just like the travel sax. But if you're a clarinetist mainly, you can get all of the clarinet fingerings, which is truly amazing because I don't know barely any electronic instrument that you can really feels like a clarinet like this one. So you can put in your headphones.
This is truly the best part about this. You can practice anywhere, just plug your headphones without disturbing anyone. You can do it in your home, in the bus, in the train, in the airplane, and just get so much more practice done. A very important detail here is that you can actually use your own clarinet mouthpiece. Now it also comes with one, which I'm using right now, so you can set it up the same way. Now the reed doesn't actually vibrate, but you still get the exact same feel as you would get on the clarinet.
The other main idea with this is for you to practice more often. A lot of us don't practice often enough sometimes because we have to set up our instrument and things like that. With this, what I do with my travel sax or travel clarinet, I usually have them right at my desk with the accessory pack or with the mouthpiece. And simply when I have 5 minutes in between sessions or in between, whenever I can, simply grab it and practice more. And it's not just a practice tool, but it encourages me to simply, it just becomes a musical outlet. So whenever I'm traveling, I take it with me and I just want to play something with a play along, which by the way, you can also connect it Bluetooth, as I showed you, to your phone and use your own play alongs, right? So for me, it's just to have fun or simply blow off some steam because I just want to get some music done, especially if you travel a lot and you can't really take your real clarinet or your real saxophone. Having this is just a great tool. So do I recommend this? 100%. If you're a clarinet player or even a sax player who also plays clarinet and you want to get your clarinet practice going, then this is a fantastic tool for you to be able to practice at any time, to use it as a MIDI controller, to just simply get better at the clarinet. I know it kind of looks like a toy, but it's really such a fantastic tool for you to be able to take and travel. Now that's the main aspect of this. If you're looking for something more into the production side, of course there's other electronic wind instruments with more capabilities, but this is mainly so that literally, I mean, if you carry this, it weighs like a water bottle, so I can literally put it on your pocket, you can put it on your backpack and don't even think about the fact that should I take my instrument or not. Simply you just take it. That's what I do with my travel sax. I just take it anywhere. I don't even think about it. I just take it because I know it becomes a useful tool anywhere I go. So I left a link below and you can use my special promo code and you can get a free set of earphones. If you use that code, just make sure to also put it on the cart and you can get the earphones for free. So go check it out on the link below and see you in the next video.